5 points to pay special attention to when purchasing and managing electric vehicles. 1. Street range. Evaluate the driving range of the electric vehicle, EV, to ensure it meets your daily commuting needs and allows for longer trips without causing range anxiety. 2. Charging infrastructure. Assess the availability and accessibility of charging stations in your area, as well as the charging options for your home, such as Level 1, standard outlet, or Level 2, faster, chargers. 3. Battery life and degradation. Investigate the battery warranty, expected degradation over time, and the manufacturer's track record for battery longevity. 4. Purchase price and incentives. Compare the upfront costs of EVs with similar gas-powered vehicles, and research available incentives, such as tax credits and rebates, to lower the overall cost. 5. Maintenance and repair. Familiarize yourself with the maintenance requirements of an EV, which are generally lower than a gas-powered vehicle, and ensure that you have access to qualified repair shops.